Hello, my name's Andrew, and today we're doing a demo of the profile page for my friends and dating app, Anomaly. Let's check it out. Okay, so last time we talked about the filtering page, and basically if you clicked on a profile on the filtering page, this is what you would get. And this is my profile, obviously. And when it's your profile, you can do some editing stuff. And when it's someone else's, it's just going to be these basic stats. So like you're going to have profile picture here, and then you can switch view, which is kind of cool. So Anomaly is not just for dating, but you can also use it for friends and work. And I haven't done the friends and work profiles yet, but this is what it would look like. You just kind of switch back and forth between these. So we're just going to look at the dating one today. But I've got some prompts here, and I might add more. I'm not sure yet, but I've got like seeking, what kind of relationship you're looking for, first date, the sort of thing that you would want to do with someone else, and then personality, where you can describe your personality. I also have lists, which is kind of a cool feature that I'm working on. So I have music, movies, and books. I haven't done movies or books yet, but those will also be kind of like a top 10 list sort of thing. But as far as music goes, when you click one of the list items, you can actually see a video that someone's linked to, which is cool. You know, you can share like what you like to listen to, and people can get a sense of that. So you can play it if you want. Got some Red Hot Chili Peppers here. And then as far as the other stuff in the profile goes, you have some stats over on the left. So your basics, age, gender. I might put like orientation, some other things there as well. And then these are your interests. It's kind of like a way to get like a quick view of someone's profile. So like I'm into barefoot, hiking, writing, sci-fi, and van life. And then there also is going to be down at the bottom like a full list where you can see all the things people are interested in. And eventually, once I start doing the kind of like more complex matching stuff, you'll have a score up here on the top where it tells you how much you have in common with people. And I think I could do some cool stuff too, like maybe I could let people list even more than 10 music artists or movies, and you could kind of see like how compatible you are with someone like music-wise, which is kind of sweet. But anyways, you can also edit your own profile, so you can switch between preview and edit mode. Here's the edit mode. You can edit the prompts here, and then each prompt kind of has like a little call out. So the seeking prompt, you can describe what kind of relationship you're seeking, but then you can also select just like a quick thing of like what actual kind of relationship you're looking for. So I could switch to short term here. And then if I go back to the top and go to preview, you can see that now I'm seeking short term. So yeah, it's kind of cool. And the one other thing about editing the profile is eventually like all this stuff will just be kind of like you can double click the text and then that'll trigger the editor. But I also have already done some of that. So like with the tags, if you click the tags, it'll open up in a sidebar because some of the fields are a little bit more complicated, like interests. So you may have multiple fields here for, I don't know, like controlling if you want people to see certain things, certain fields, etc. So yeah, that's a little demo of the Anomaly profile page. It's coming along really well. There's still a ton of work to do, but it's a passion project, and it's also something I feel like the world really needs. So that's just kept me motivated through all this. And I'll keep you guys updated as I code new features, etc. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Peace.